on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing maple Chaitastic pecan chocolate chip cookies. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab you a bag of that Seahorse Snacks maple Chaitastic pecans. Shout out to Stacy for these amazing treats. I'll link the video down, the website down below for you can order that. Then we got 1 1/4 a cup of all-purpose flour. We got 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips, and that's milk chocolate. Then we got 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, followed by 1/2 cup of light packed brown sugar. Then we got 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. Then we got 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Then we got 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then we have 1 whole stick of butter, that's unsalted butter, and 1 egg at room temperature. Make sure those ingredients are at room temperature, just help cream this a lot better. All right, then you want to get your cream in with your butter and sugar, so go ahead and get that creamed up until it resembles pale white color. So you're going to cream that really good. Then once you get that cream, you're going to go ahead and add your room temperature egg to that mixture, and go ahead and mix that until it is a pale white and very light and fluffy. All right, and make sure you scrape down the bowl, because some of the stuff get trapped in the bowl. You just want to scrape it down. All right, once you get to this point, go ahead and add your vanilla to this wet ingredient. So, and this is going to be a wet ingredient. So we got all our wet ingredients, and then we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So we take our flour, our cornstarch, our baking powder, and our salt, and then we're gonna just sift that into this wet mixture. And we're gonna go in with the mixer just to get everything incorporated, but we're only gonna do this for like 30 seconds. Once you get to this point, you go ahead and work the rest of the way with a spatula, and this helps your cookies to stay remain tender and not activate too much of that gluten. But you don't have to worry about that, because you're gonna let them rest as well. All right, once you get everything worked in with the spatula, go ahead and add your chocolate chips to the mixture, and you can add more chocolate chips if you like. You can add less. It's pretty much up to you when it comes to the chocolate chips. And then we got our cup of our maple Chaitastic pecans, and I just chopped those really good, but that is a cup of them, and these are really fantastic. So pretty much upscale version of the pecan chocolate chip cookies. All right, then you're gonna grab a spoon and go ahead and get these cookies separated, and we're going about 2 ounce balls. All right, then once you get them all on the tray, go ahead and pop them in the fridge for an hour. One side of the fridge, go ahead and put them on the sheet pan and go ahead and bake them off. Bake how many off you want. I baked off a couple, and once you get them baked off, go ahead and pop them onto a wire rack to let them cool. And once they're cool completely, there you have it, man. The most amazing maple Chaitastic pecan chocolate chip cookies. I got another cookie recipe down, in my video selection, but this is another chocolate chip cookie recipe for you can use when going into the holiday season. Very simple. The thing about cookie recipes, they're very simple, always simple, but you can add your own little twist to them and just make them your own. But I just wanted to do something with a local treat, the maple Chaitastic pecans. Those are really amazing pecans. Actually, they're pecans that are dusted with maple syrup and Chinese chai tea, and roasted to perfection. And that is a local company here in Chattanooga. I actually work with them at the Kitchen Incubator of Chattanooga. But yeah, I just want to showcase some of their products and let you know that it is some really talented chefs and cooks in Chattanooga. But there you have it, man. The most amazing maple Chaitastic pecans chocolate chip cookies from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.